Hey guys, it's me, Pit Crafters. We're back with another Cookie Clicker gameplay. As you can see, I got 200 billion cookies. And we're just gonna see. I got 2 million cookie clicks. I don't know how that happened, really. We got we got a lot of stuff to spend. Ooh, we can get an alchemy lab. Ooh, we got like 3 new achievements. Dude Sweet, Stroke of Luck, Click-O-Matic. Okay, we're just gonna close out of those. Okay. We're gonna get this alchemy lab for 75 billion. We have enough. Alright. We got an alchemy lab. And wow, we can actually buy some stuff here. Oh my god. I'm gonna buy the one for shipment. And maybe the one for grandma. Actually no, I'll get this one. Oh yeah. I'll get that. I'll get that. And that. And I just used up all my money. How a great episode. We're like a minute in and we already like freaked up all our money. At least we got our alchemy lab in. And I also noticed up here the prestige level. You've been running this for 8 days, 19 hours. Ascending will now grant you no prestige. Oh no! You need 600,000 billion more cookies for the next level. Yeah, that's a lot. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a lot of work. Um, yeah, we'll get another. We'll get some more mines in there. All right, that's perfect. Oh yeah, my tongue gets like it feels dry. I don't know what to do. I know we're not done yet. Maybe we'll go through a little preview of what all of it's doing. And our alchemy lab is one alchemy lab producing 2.905 million cookies per second. 22.3% of their total CPS. So that means it's doing 22.3 most of our work. One alchemy lab produces that much. We'll get some more temples. Yeah, I got 20 temples now. And I guess I'm gonna pause the video until I get some more cookies. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we are back and it's been like what, 3 hours? I just noticed that we have gained a lot more cookies than normal. And I would probably just say that because of this alchemy lab down there. Or whatever. And I noticed that I also gained some more achievements. I know that was there. And I think the rest of these weren't there. I think that one was there. I think. But I remember that just plain lucky wasn't there. Okay, we have some more things here. Good, good, good. I can get this grandma power up. Okay. How much are temples doing and how much? Okay. Just okay. All right. I kind of helped it out. I don't know. Grandma. Um. Each grandma produces 1,180. Second, 110 grandmas producing cookies per second. Um, okay, 1 out of 5. I'm also boosting some other buildings, farms, 110%, mine, 55%. Banks, temples, I'll combine these boosts. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, cookie, gold cookie. Uh, Dude, my mouth hurts. So I guess it's just like, just how like the game goes. You know what, guys? I'll get you guys back in a couple of hours because I'm not feeling great. I just woke up again, so catch you guys back in a few hours. Hey guys, we are back and we got a lot of cookies. Ooh, perfect timing because we got a golden cookie there. Boom, frenzy. But we got some more stuff here. You know, more stuff to spend it on. So if we spend all this, then we'll get some more cookies. And that's why I noticed our legacy level has went down a lot, and we are about to hit the greatest moment in our lives. You've been on this run for 9 days and 5 hours. Ascending will now grant you no prestige. But wait, don't be sad, because you need about 100 billion more cookies for the next level. Okay, so why we're at it here, why things can... Okay, yeah, that's definitely not worth it, but we're gonna check things that are worth it. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get that. Golden cookies show up more. Wizard Towers, what are they doing? They're not doing much. Yeah, but I'll get it just so it can boost up our cookies per second. And grandmas, get that. And we'll get another Wizard Tower one. Get another clicking. And then we'll just get the rest of these. Boom. There we go. We just did that. But we're gonna see what is worth it. We're gonna get some more grandmas. Ooh, 100. Ooh, pink milk. You already know. You already know what it is, right? Ah, come on. 47. Really? You have to stop at the wrongest time. What is this milk called? Is it blood milk? I'm just kidding, guys. That's not really cool. It's raspberry. Oh, for a second there, I either thought, 1, it was blood milk, or 2, it was strawberry milk. I mean, it would make sense, right? So let's see our milks we have right now. So we got the plain milk, which is obviously, the store brand. And we have chocolate milk, you probably put a little bit of that Hershey's on it. And then you have this raspberry milk, and I'm not really a big fan of raspberry, but whatever, it'll do. Oh, we just need one more bank, and then we'll get that achievement for having 50 banks. So we're going to wait for that. We're going to wait to get 50 banks. It should be coming real shortly. And also, guys, look at this. Hold on, let me show you something. Look at this. 3 million cookie clicks because of the auto clicker. Let's see what the achievement is. Fit the bill. I better fit the bill. Fit the bill. I better fit the bill. I better fit the bill. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Hopefully here soon. We get that prestige level, and I'll catch you guys when we get in that prestige level, and then we're gonna end the episode after that. Because maybe we want to see the great moment where we see the prestige level in episode 6. Yeah, episode 6. So catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, the epic moment has finally happened. We have reached 1 prestige level. And boy am I glad. And before we end this episode, we got some of these goodies here. Look at that. And then that. And then, alright, we'll call this an episode. Oh my gosh, I need like a lot more cookies. But anyway, guys, you can always come out and help me. You know, in case if like there is actually some more stuff I need. But we will be able to do that in the next episode. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all later. Peace.